I would describe as a CUV character is a car which is in general more comfortable, so better bedding in and using more stroke feeling. So in general it's softer. Like a normal 5-door is has a little bit shorter ride, a little bit more tighter body control. Also perhaps in your behavior a little bit slightly quicker. And we try to take over this your behavior. So still the car is cornering. It's cornering quick, has a high lateral acceleration, but still being soft enough and plush enough during normal driving. And an SUV is in general a heavier car, higher center of gravity, which has more or needs more roll support. So therefore an SUV is mainly, well, it depends which systems they use, of course, but it's mainly a little bit stiffer. Suspension tuning is done subjectively, so it's really what I feel. So I make certain maneuvers and I just drive straight ahead also, and every time feeling what the car is doing. And then you recognize, oh, well, the car's perhaps pitching a little bit or is not rolling because you want always parallel. This car's perhaps a little bit like this, and then you think, okay, I need a little bit more compression, and that's the job, and I like it a lot. I always call it test engineer because that's the job. So and that's perhaps also the fun of the job. So you have perhaps the fun and the enjoyment of driving around and driving fast and doing maneuvering, and then you go back to the workshop or back to the office, and you start thinking, what should I do now? And you have to be pretty quickly because you have, well, a certain time to do something, and so within, well, let's say next hour or something, you want to have the next change in the car. We do the normal suspension tuning in the Eifel in Germany, on just open roads. So we have a short loop of like 20 minutes, what we always drive, with a road with a lot of undulations, different corners, also different wave types. And I always try to do short loops to be quick back in the workshop and make an exchange.